everyone. In the last video, I introduced how to create a custom component on the page, uh, and we also create some page based on our custom template. So today I will introduce how to publish a page from the stay mode into the online mode. Okay, let's get started. Okay, before go to here, before go to this session, I will talk about how and why we need to publish a page to our online mode. Let's go to a Smart Edit and create a new page. This is a page which I created in the last video, and now I will create a new page for the content page, and we choose the template which we created before. Next, and choose the names. For example, tab by test 2. By label, we can put any name like contact by test 2 as well. And we can put any title you want. And we put it the same with the name of the page. Okay, done. And now in the Smart Edit, we have the new page. And we go again into the page. We search for the page which we recent create this page. Okay, you see, for the contact by my contact content by test, it it is synced, and you can view this page on the online mode. How can we view it? We need to copy this by label, and we go to the private mode in here, and we open the site for Apparel UK because we are standing on Apparel UK, and wait for a little bit. We will paste the by label after the link to view our new page. For example, here we paste the by label here. You see, right? This is the by label, and now we will do the same for the new page. We will copy, edit, and copy the by label in here, and copy this and replay this one. You see, it will display a 404 page not found. And how can we publish the page to the online mode? Because this page is a draft, and we need to publish this page because it is standing on the state mode. There are three ways to publish a page. We can publish directly on a page in the Smart Edit, or we can publish the entire site in the Smart Edit, or we can publish entire site well in the back office. Let's go into this step. Okay, publish the rest on the page. We go inside the display and change the draft mode into the ready to send. You see, this is a draft mode. In the left corner, right corner top, you switch into ready to send, and now it's ready to send. And then you see this will become the warning, and now you can click on here and click on the scene. Okay, you see it's already run, but it haven't finished because something wrong here. Usually this approach not work smoothly. You need to switch into the approach. Okay, now you can click on here. It's seen, or it already seen, right? It's seen successfully, right? You see it green stick, and it's change from ready to scene to scene. Now we can view in the private mode. Display can reload. Awesome. Now you can publish the page. Let's go to the second approach. Let's see, we can see in the Smart Edit site, entire site in Smart Edit. In here, let's modify a little bit. I will change it into the 500 for the height and save it. Okay, it's more taller than before. I think I will change it in with the width into the 1000 pixel and save it. Okay, it's bigger than before, right? And now we uh, we will build in this page. We will reload this one. Is gen or not? Yeah, it's not gen because we haven't seen on the state. This we have just gen on the state mode. We need to send into the publish mode, the online mode. I think we need to, yeah, it's the chain. It have the one in here, and we can select in here and click on scene because we modify on this only component, and we can see in here. But now I want to introduce the second approach. That's it, we can see in the level of side. In here we can choose the side. We are standing on upper side UK, and we can click on scene. This scene have us seen entire content of page. That means all the chain on this site for own page we can see by click on this button. Okay, okay. Now scene in progress. Okay, wait for a little bit. Okay, let's see. In the time we wait for it, scene, we can go into the third approach. That is, we can publish the page in the back office. In the page office, we can search into the catalog. Yeah, and we choose the catalog versions, and we choose the site we're standing. We choose the apparel UK content catalog with the stay mode. Choose this one, and then we can click on synchronize button here, action. Let's check for the finish. Yeah, it finished already. Let's check display. We can reload this one. Okay, it's successfully with a bigger error for the YouTube component. Okay, now we will modify one more time. for the contact page here. We change it for smaller. Yeah, let's make it smaller. Yeah, 500. Make it into 200 and 500 for width and save it. Yeah, it's smaller. And now we can check on the private mode. We reload the page. It still keep the bigger. Now let's see in the back office. Back office. Uh, and click on scene tonight. Okay. We will push the content to online. Click on the scenes and we can check the progress in here. Yeah, it's running. It's running. It is processing. Yeah. After finish and our expectation will be smallest error for YouTube video component. Currently it's the big, right? Let's check the progress. And by the way, I want to introduce how to the public, how to change the content for the product. For example, we this is the product with the ID, this one, and we will change the value in some field of this product, and how can we publish from the state to the online, right? We will check for the product. Sorry, product. Yeah, and we will copy this ID of product and search for this ID. Okay, you see, with the identifier, I change a little bit for the identifier on the stay. This on the stay mode. Okay, stay mode with the identifier is checking scene, and currently on the online mode we have the identifier E stellar red woman blue check L, and I add the checking scenes into here in the front of the identifier. Okay, you see this is online mode. Is this have this tag, and we need to send from stay to online. We just click on this actions, send online and send. Okay, wait a little bit for it send, and now it's sent successfully, right? It processed. Wait a little bit for content catalog synchronizations. Okay, now it's the catalog synchronization finished, and we will check this one is whether it's smaller. Reload the page. Awesome. Now we successfully seen in the back office. The item synchronization for this product is also done. Now we will reload the page. Okay, we can do the same thing for the order, like the size or the price or the description. on the product by seeing in the back office. Remember that if we change the value in on the product, we cannot see by on the smart edit or directly on the page or on the catalog version. But on the catalog version, we can choose the product catalog version like apparel UK, apparel product catalog from stay, and in here we can see is to online because the content we are changing on the product we need to change from the product. The content we change on the CMS like this one for the text or for title or for some attribute on the content of page we need to see by the content catalog version from state to online. Hey, that's all for this post. In the next post, I will introduce how to link the page, uh, how to link our page to any navigation like menus on header or footer. That means we can give the entry for the page. Okay, that means we can leave our new page under here for the user they can click on this and jump into our page. Okay, look sound great, right. Okay, thank you for watching and hope to see you in the next video. Subscribe to motivate me to create new videos. Thank you.